Okay, so this is the under the vehicle. So this is a drain plug. So when you draining the oil, this is a dipstick. You can pull this one. Okay, I tied the drain plug. You don't have to tie too much. You can stop that, but okay. Okay, this is not too bad. Welcome back to Quick Oil and Brake. Guys, today is almost 27 degrees temperature, and I'm going to change engine oil on Honda Odyssey 2015. This is not ordinary oil change. In this video I will explain everything what you have to check, and if you follow these instructions, and your vehicle will be lost so many miles, over 200,000-300,000 miles, and you don't have to worry about any other maintenance if you follow these instructions, because the oil change is very important running your vehicle. So stay tuned and try to not skip the video. And what you need, I'm changing a 0W20, the oil full synthetic, and if your vehicle is over 75,000 or over 100,000, you can use this one. I always use the original filter. You need a crush washer, you need a 17mm socket, you need a ratchet, you need this plier to open the oil filter. Okay, let's start it. So this is the under the vehicle. So this is a drain plug. So it's a 17mm. So I don't have enough space. So let's see if I can show you. Okay. So I lose the drain plug, and I'm gonna, whoever changed before, he ties too much, shouldn't be too much tight, and they also did not put the crush washer. So let's take a look what he put beside the crush washer. So look like the silicone rubber washer he put instead this silver crush washer. If you change your oil from a dealership, they always use this one. So I'm gonna remove this one and I put this one. Okay, as you see, I removed that one. Okay, this is a piece he put instead the crush washer. Alright, so when you draining the oil, this is a dipstick. You can pull this one, and also this is a filler cap. Always see what grade written on that. This is the 0W20. Always put the right grade oil in your vehicle. If you don't see over here, normally they mention right over here under the hood. So they also mention over here what grade goes with your vehicle. So I'm gonna see how the oil, yeah, it's almost drain. So I'm gonna put the drain plug and remove the filter. Okay, I tied the drain plug. You don't have to tie too much, approximately 35 to 37 foot-pound. So I clean this one so it's properly tight, and that's the filter aftermarket someone else put before. So from the passenger side tires, there's a space over here. You can see a nut, but okay, this is not too bad. Okay, now I'm gonna drain this thing for some. So as you see, I'm using an original Honda filter. I recommend you to use always whatever filter for your vehicle.